What's up guys, we're at Wombo's house today, and by the title of this video, you guys already know what's going down. All of us have literally been waiting years for this install, and today is finally the day. You ready, Wombo, or what?
Got the bad boys ready. Got the coils ready to go.
Install time, baby. Let's do this. So we got Wombo's cart in the garage ready to go. I think we're gonna go ahead and start with the fronts first. Wombo's never done coilovers before, so this will be his first time ever. Are you excited?
I'm stoked.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
If you guys thought my tool collection was bad, check out Wombo's. All right, we should have everything that we need right here for this coilover install. Subi's up on jack stands, and I've never done coilovers on this model Subi, but the only thing different is the rears. It has one bolt rather than two on the GDs, so that might just make it a little bit easier. Watch closely, Wombo. You gotta learn today, so that you can install them for me one day.
That
second one. We got the strut unbolted from the knuckle, and now we just need the top three. We got the brake lines disconnected as well. That was actually super easy. It didn't take us very long to get that one unbolted. Our tools still suck, but we managed to actually work with it, and it's going pretty good. So hopefully it stays like that. All right, there we go, boys. That's the first one, and then we'll just take the measurement of this one, compare it to the coilover, and then we'll adjust our ride height like that. But that wasn't bad, huh?
Nope.
Before we take the second one out, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this one in since we're already here, and that way we don't have to keep coming back to the other side. Kind of measured this coilover and like compared it to the stock strut, and then we went down 2.5 inches. So hopefully that's good. If not, we can always come back and lower it a little bit more. I think I got the ride height correct. So what I did was I measured the gap before we took the wheels off, and then I put the coilover next to the stock strut, and whatever was left of that I subtracted. I don't know if that makes sense, but in total we took away about 2.5 inches. So that's how much lower it should be. You know what we should do? We should put both wheels on right now, because this gap is going to be smaller. Even though the car's in the air, it'll be smaller, and that one will be bigger. So we could just see, compare, you know? Car's in the air, and your gap is like literally what it was at stock height on the floor, and then come to this side.
Holy fuck. Damn.
Check that out. That's still like, dude, that's huge.
Fuck.
So there's obviously a huge difference between the stock strut and the coilover. I can't wait to see what the ride height is gonna look like. But first, we're gonna get this side done, and then we can go ahead and lower the car and see where it's at. We just got done with the second side. That one was a little tougher. The bolt didn't want to come out, but we were able to get it out, and we got the new coilover in. Everything is tightened down, so I think we can lower it, Wombo.
Let's do it.
We just need to find probably some wood blocks, because I don't know if it's gonna be too low and the jack's gonna get stuck under there, but we needed to probably put something under there. But let's get the wheels back on real quick. And sorry if it's a little too bright out here. Every time we're at Wombo's house, no matter what time of year, it's always super bright out here. I think it's because there's like no trees around us. Si puedes? No puedo. Why are you getting red?
No, it got stuck for a second.
Oh, no, I don't know. I feel like we could go lower, no?
Fuck.
Oh, I went down a little bit more.
Looks pretty good. I feel like we could go a little lower.
A little lower, huh? All right, so it looks like we can definitely go a lot lower on the Subi. I'm thinking like an inch. Wombo says he's okay with that.
Then
An inch or more?
I think an inch is good.
An inch? All right, so we'll go an inch lower, and then we'll see what it looks like. Finally got the coilover just a little bit lower. We're literally almost maxing out the coilovers. These aren't the extreme low ones, so we're maybe like half an inch before they're completely maxed out. And again, we don't want to do that. If you guys remember Ongo's car, he ended up ripping his axle boots because he maxed his out, I believe. So that's where the coilover is sitting right there. I think that's going to be perfect. We went down another inch. Now Wombo is just throwing the wheels back on, and we'll be able to lower it. Let's put these back under here. Round two, Wombo, you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's see it. Oh, that's perfect, huh?
I like that.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that is perfect.
Dude, that's sick. That's perfect, no?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, see? This side lowered a little bit as soon as we lowered that side.
I like it.
What do you think? You like it?
Hell yeah.
So fronts are officially done. Wombo's gonna pull it out because we gotta flip it around anyway. And then we'll see how she looks. Dude, that's sick. That is so sick. Check it out, dude.
Fuck. Damn, hell yeah. I dig it. Holy fuck.
Dude, and the rears aren't even done yet, dude. And it already looks so good. That's sick. That's perfect. Other way? That's good, dude. Let us know what you guys think so far of Wombo's car. Obviously, we still need the rears, but the fronts are looking really, really good. The ride height came out perfect. I think we nailed it on that. Before we start the rears, we're gonna go eat real quick and then we'll be right back. Time to start on the rears. Hopefully we can get it done pretty quickly. The fronts took us about 2.5 to 3 hours, so not what we were expecting to hit, but hopefully the rears are a little bit easier. The first rear one out, and it's not actually 1 bolt. You actually have to disconnect 3 and lower the lower control arm. But I feel like I'd rather deal with these all day long over the front, huh?
Yeah.
It just seemed a lot easier. And I don't think this one matters, does it? It says rear on both, so no left or right. So I guess wherever. So of course, on the very last one, we ran into a huge issue and we're not going to be able to actually go drive the car today. These 2 bolts right here got stuck, and as we like forced them out, they kind of like, I guess they like stripped it in a way. It kind of sucks because I really wanted to take Wombo's car out and go drive it and see how it feels on the new coilovers, but at least we got everything done and everything went well up until this point. So I think what we're gonna do is, I don't know, put the wheel on, not drive it, and then we can do the first drive with the coilovers next time. What we did for the meantime is we just put the nuts in as far as they can go, and then we're gonna put the wheel on, lower the car, just so you guys see what it looks like with the coilovers on. The good thing is this isn't Wombo's daily anymore, so he won't be driving it until we get it fixed anyway. It would be on the last one though, huh?
Fuck, this sucks.
Dude, everything was going so well until that last one. But at least we're gonna be seeing the car lowered today. Regardless of everything.
Fuck.
Are you happy? Besides that part.
Yeah. Pretty stoked.
I feel like I would have left better today.
I know.
If we like
fuck.
actually got it done, but that's okay. We'll get it fixed. Oh, we failed at the 2 hours that it was gonna take us.
Looks good. Needed that.
Well, there's the rears, guys, and they're actually a little bit higher than the fronts. And these are maxed out, huh?
Yeah.
These coilovers. The ones in the back are maxed out, and they ended up a little bit taller than the fronts, which is okay. That usually looks pretty sick when it's like kind of slanted. Wombo's gonna pull it out so we get a better look out here with it, and then we'll be putting it right back in the garage. Don't worry, guys, Wombo's not gonna be driving it while it has those 2 bolts like that. Dude, that looks sick. That looks sick. Come look at it. There it is, guys. Kinda 95% complete. It looks sick, dude. Damn. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. This was so long overdue and it's finally done. I couldn't be any happier. Actually, I could be a little bit happier because of that rear, but overall, it came out really good. I like it. I'm so hyped for Wombo to see what he does next. The fitment honestly isn't bad. Like right here, you can't even fit a finger, and the rear, you can fit one.
That 5% is bringing me down.
It's okay. We'll get it fixed. We'll get it fixed. Next week, it'll be good. In the next video, we'll fix that last issue that we ran into, and then we'll take it on a test drive and see what Wombo thinks of his new ride on coilovers. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.